Alright, so today what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and clean up all these parts so they look very nice and shiny when the engine goes back into the engine bay, just like how the motor and the transmission looks like. So we're going to use this wire brush or wire wheel to clean them up. And all I am essentially going to do is, for instance, I'll take this one here. Remove the hole, and we're going to clean this whole base off. And you can see that sucker shining already. Look at that. Yeah. Struggling with one hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these parts real quick and let's see what's up. Yeah. Alright, and there it is. Parts are super shiny except for the motor mounts. I'm gonna just paint these black, but I did shine the ends up. I'm gonna tape those up before I paint them. This I just didn't get in the middle, but that looks nice and shiny. Starter looks nice and shiny. Both these look nice and shiny. Look at that shit. Look at that. I even redid this right here. It looks super nice and clean. Man, I am proud of the way this is coming out. Did I hit this side? I don't know if I did. I don't think I did. Let me hit this side. Alright, there it is. Nice and clean. Everything is super clean. I think I burned this little motor out. Check it out. Eesh. Oh damn, it's hella locked. Dang, I burned it out. We're gonna have to get a replacement now. Whoa. It's alright, this thing has been here for years. It's done this job. Gave it a hell of a workload to do. It's already starting to get hella dark. Well, you still see the sun a little bit, but not really. So let's go ahead and pull these parts back inside now. Alright, there it is. So these parts are super nice and shiny. Ready to go back onto the motor, but I still need to take the valve cover and the front cover off to replace these seals and gaskets. Still waiting for the Honda bond to get here, waiting for the oil pan to get here so I could do that as well, knock it all out once at the same time. For now, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and spray down my motor mounts, cover these up. Alright, here I have all the motor mounts except for the rear. I'm gonna hit it with this semi-gloss that has paint and primer. I'm gonna just go ahead and start coating it down. Nice light coats for now. And pretty much get the point. I'm gonna go ahead and spray these. Then I'll wait a little bit. Then I'll spray it again. I'll spray this one too. That way these mounts look nice and clean. And I'll go ahead and spray it all down. Don't bore you with my paint. Alright, there are the motor mounts. Look like brand spanking new. I know I did these yesterday, and they look super clean. But I didn't have Mother's. And there she is. So I'm gonna hit these inlet valves one more time, just with Mother's. I'm gonna do it by hand. Okay, I'm gonna set these down somewhere. That way I could just do it by hand. And I'm gonna just do it with this microfabric. And I'm gonna just go back and forth at it. Just back and forth. Just dab some. I'm gonna put it on all of the inlets. And now I'm gonna just go to town on it. And it's working because look, it's turning black already. So it's gonna be super shiny. And yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and do this real quick. Boy, look at that shine. This Mother's really does a very, very good job. Honestly, I don't think you can spend too much time polishing these. I think the longer you take polish things up, oh my god, the better it freaking is. Polish them up the best you can to try to get the best airflow that you possibly can. And I'm trying to go as deep as I possibly could on the runners, and I'm trying to hit these little walls as well right here with Mother's. See my reflection. Yeah, starting to come out very good. So yeah, so honestly, the more time you spend on this, the better. You can see the shine. Super shiny. That looks good. And I'm gonna just keep at it for a while. Alright, and there it is. I am pretty happy with that. Really can't see it in the camera, but you can see the glaze or the shine up on top. See it down here. I'm pretty happy with that. That's pretty good. I'm gonna just leave that alone now. I think what I'm gonna do next is remove all these hoses from here. Let's get all that stuff out. We're gonna unclip this one, bring it out. I'm gonna have to bring this. Oh no, I got it to lock. Now, let's try to get this hose off. Yep, that's what I figured. We're gonna use these to open them up. Too big. And we'll get those out. Alright, and there's the coolant line hose. Clean this off. Oh man, that's dirty. Clean everything. But this is dirty now. Clean this off. Just as best I possibly can. I guess that's it. I'll go ahead and remove this one here next for the crank pressure. And these are all going to be trash, except for the tie downs, the metal clips. I'm going to keep all those. I'm going to keep this hose. This one they cut. This one's trash. This one I'm going to keep. And we'll see what's up. Right, here comes one of the throttle coolant lines. Let's go ahead and remove this one from here. Sweet. Let's go ahead and remove this fuel line. Let's open up this little bracket. Came to put these mounts away so I don't step on them. And I forgot to polish one thing. The water pump. It's alright, I'll just clean that one with the drill. With the wire brush. Let me continue taking off these hoses. Alright, there it is. I am going to keep this piece of the hose. Mine is good, but I'll keep this one as well as a backup. There it is. Extra backup gas line. Sweet. These are all trash. This one here, I'm gonna take it off. Even though these butterfly ones are ass, I'm gonna keep it. Let me see. Next, we're going to take off, obviously, this bracket here. We already have this plugged into the car. I think they have this whole bracket in the car already. So I'm gonna just go ahead and remove this from here. Do this one here. Alright, there it is. And we'll just keep this right here on the side. So the pile that I'm taking off. I'm gonna take this one off. That one should be okay. If not, anyways, I'm gonna bypass it with that one. There's that. Let's put these back right here so we don't lose these. Alright, I'm gonna clean this case from here, from this side, using some wipies. Wipies work very good in getting off oil and all kinds of debris. I think it works fantastic. Nice and clean, check it out. Sweet. This valve cover is now ready to come off for sure. Okay, that's pretty much done here. Now we just got to remove the valve cover and the front case, reseal them, then we'll start slapping in new sensors and everything. New replacement, new replacement, new replacement, new replacement. Oh, never ending. But for now, I think maybe this will do it for now, because still waiting for the Honda Bond to get here before I open this valve cover up in the front case. But yeah, I think this will do it for now. I guess I'll just take off this one last hose. Alright, there it is. Both of these hoses are off. This one I'm gonna leave alone. And like I said, I have that one right here plugged into the vehicle. There's no need for me to move it. All I gotta do is just bolt it back on. Check this out. Cleaned it out. I just gotta do something about my wiring. Jesus Christ. Yeah. She's going. So this is an extra sensor that I have. Sweet part of extra stuff that I have. Oh, you know what? Let's take this one off too. Alright, there it is. And I think I'm actually going to polish this one up. This one looks a lot cleaner. This one only has 75,000 miles on it. So this water pump is newer. I'm going to replace this O-ring as well. I already have a replacement coming in tomorrow. This one actually feels pretty good still. Nice and round. But like I said, all of this right here is going to be replaced with new seals, new gaskets. I don't want no mother effing problems. No problems, bro. Just want to be able to rip it. And see, look at this. This gasket's already actually expanded. So this gasket's no good anymore. Sweet. Alright. Well, I guess that will do it for now. Stop taking your guys' time. These are all trash. All these right here are all trash. I don't know if I want to keep these caps. Probably not for wet. Anyways, so that'll do it for now. I'm tired. Let's see what time it is. 9:55. Gotta wake up and do it all over again tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm happy to report it's the next day. Sucker's working. It got overheated. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.